Good morning children. Today let us start our class by discussing about the effects of oxidation. Let us consider the first effect of oxidation, that is combustion. Have you heard about combustion reaction? Yes, it is a process in which the substance decomposes or substance break down or substance react with air or oxygen and results in the formation of energy. Is it clear? It is the process in which the substance undergoes decomposition or breaking down or burns in air and results in the formation of any form of energy like heat, light, etc. is termed as combustion process. For example, you just consider the main component of natural gas is methane. When methane undergoes oxidation or when it burns in oxygen, it results in the formation of carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. You are getting energy in the form of heat. At the same time, the main component of petroleum, liquefied LPG is butane. When butane undergoes oxidation, at that time also you will be getting carbon dioxide, water plus heat energy. So here you can see that in both the cases, whenever a hydrocarbon, not only methane and butane, whatever be the hydrocarbon undergoes oxidation or when it burns in air, you will be getting heat energy. At the same time, children, we can consider that, suppose if you consider glucose, glucose is C6H12O6, when it undergoes combustion in presence of oxygen and it results in the formation of carbon dioxide and water plus energy. So that is why even respiration, this is actually the breaking down of glucose with the liberation of energy. So respiration is considered as an exothermic process. Is it clear? So we can say that even respiration is an effect of oxidation. Is it clear, children? What is combustion? Combustion means it is the process in which the substance burns in oxygen or it breaks down with oxygen and results in the formation of energy. And even we can consider respiration as an exothermic process. The reason is that respiration also involves the breaking down of glucose with the liberation of energy. Is it clear, children? That is about the first effect of oxidation, that is combustion. Now already in our second video we have studied one of the harmful effect of oxidation, that is corrosion. And now let us consider the third effect of oxidation, that is rancidity. Have you heard about rancidity? Yes, it is the oxidation of fatty food items, that is the oxidation of fats and oil which is present in food item and results in foul smell and bad taste. Is it clear? Rancidity means it is the process of oxidation, it is the slow oxidation of fat and oil which is present in food materials and results in foul smell and bad taste. This question was there this year. What are the effects of rancidity? Means as a result of rancidity you will be getting a foul smell as well as the taste will also be bad. Is it clear? So rancidity means it is the process of slow oxidation of fats and oil. The process of slow oxidation of fats and oil which is present in food items. When this process takes place, as a result you will be getting a foul smell and bad taste. Is it clear, children? So to avoid rancidity, we have to follow certain conditions. First thing is that you can keep the food items in airtight containers. You can keep it in airtight containers. Actually, when you are keeping it in airtight containers, you are not allowing the substance to come in contact with oxygen. We are breaking the contact of oxygen so that we are avoiding the process of oxidation. So first thing, in order to avoid rancidity, you can keep the food items in airtight containers. Second one, we can say that we can do refrigeration. That means you can keep the food item in refrigerator where the temperature is low, so obviously, and it is not in contact with air, so the process of oxidation will again be slowed down. Is it clear? Third one, we can say that, for example, if you just consider food items like potato chips or same type of things, we can store them in bags and that air in that bags can be replaced by nitrogen, which is an inert gas. Inert means it is not so reactive. So air can be replaced by this nitrogen gas and this again prevents the process of rancidity. Is it clear? And the fourth one, we can say that avoid the substances to keep in direct sunlight. Direct sunlight means you are providing lot of oxygen. So if you are avoiding the contact of direct sunlight, you can prevent the substance from rancidity. And fifth one, it is by using certain chemicals called antioxidants. Antioxidants means against oxidation, that is the reagents which are used to prevent oxidation are termed as antioxidants. For this purpose, we can use the reagents like BHA or BHT, that is butylated hydroxyanisole or butylated hydroxytoluene. So these reagents BHA and BHT can be used as antioxidants and which can also be used to prevent the process of rancidity. Is it clear, children? Already we have discussed about one of the harmful effect of oxidation in video 2, and the rest effects we have discussed now, that is combustion and rancidity. And here we have already explained even respiration is considered as an exothermic process since respiration involves the breaking down of glucose with the liberation of energy. Is it clear, children? So theoretically we have completed our first chapter. Then now you have to pass through all the questions given in NCERT book, and then if doubts are there, we will be clearing it. Thank you, children.